We're going to show you two different ways to tie a slip knot. This is the easiest way. Pull the other one. Hold the other one. Pull the other string. There you go. Show it again. Real quick. Undo it. How easy it is to undo. Cross them. Hold the cross. And then pull the loop back. Making a pretzel. Good job. Wrap around something. You grab both parts of the string right here. Then you have the end that's connected right here. You want to go around and up through this little loop you're making here twice. And then you can let go and grab both of these, pull it, and then let go of that one. And you have a slip knot. Take this, grab it like that. Take this loop 2 times. Slip knot.